Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin with the ignition in ACC so the display is live. This powers the clock without running the engine. Once done, make sure the radio or Subaru Starlink screen is on so menu buttons respond. Next, locate the clock controls by checking the display bezel or the info button. This determines whether you use touchscreen settings or physical knobs. You do this to avoid changing the wrong menu. Knowing 12 versus 24-hour preference upfront saves time when you set hours and minutes. You now navigate into settings, press home or info, then tap settings and choose clock or time. Once inside, use the touchscreen arrows or the tune knob to change the hour. Turning the knob moves faster, tapping increments by 1. After adjusting hours, move to minutes and set precisely. This ensures arrival times and trip logs stay accurate. Make sure to switch between 12-hour and 24-hour formats as you prefer, because that affects AM/PM interpretation and automatic sync behaviors. To finish, press Save or Done, then exit menus. This writes the new time to the system so it persists after key cycles. Once complete, verify the dash clock and infotainment show the same time. If they differ, re-enter settings and repeat adjustments until within 1 minute. If problems persist, perform a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 seconds to reboot the unit, or try disconnecting a fuse for 1 minute. These steps clear glitches, but do not affect vehicle safety systems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.